this is the PQ and this is a smaller segment, this is the alternate segment. Now if you draw this angle anywhere on the circle, it will measure the same, it won't change at all. So where do we see this? We see this in the diametrical angle. Means suppose if there is a diameter and the angle subtended by the diameter on the circle is always a right angle. Means let it be anywhere on the circle. Same logic, because it's that follows this same rule, right? So angle subtended by any chord on the circle on the same side or on the segment will always be the same. Okay, now we come back to our problem. See, this is given the same thing which I discussed. So QRP equals to QSR equals to Y. QRP equals to QSR equals to Y. Right? Say alternate angle, alternate segment theorem. Therefore, what happens now? X plus Y plus 90 plus Y equals to 180. Why? PRS triangle. X plus Y plus 90 plus Y equals to 180. Therefore, X plus 2Y equals to 90 on this side, 90 degrees. So, which are the four options? X plus 2Y equals to 90 degrees. So, option A is correct. Next, we'll cover them in the next video. So, download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.